In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Docusign after signing. Imagine this scenario. You've just finished signing a document using Docusign, and suddenly you realize there's a minor change you need to make. Maybe a typo or a piece of information was left out. In those cases where the document is still pending signatures from other recipients, Docusign provides a great solution for correcting your document without starting all over again. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you need to access Docusign. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Docusign website, where you'll be prompted to log in. Use your account credentials to sign in, and this will take you to your main dashboard. If you're not sure where to go from here, look for the Agreements section. This is typically found in the menu that runs along the side or at the top of your Docusign page. Once you've arrived at the Agreements section, it's time to identify the specific agreement you need to edit. You'll be looking for the agreement you've already signed, but which is still awaiting signatures from other recipients. This condition is important because if all parties have already signed off, you won't be able to make corrections. Look carefully through the list to find this document, and once located, click to open it. Now, with your document open, you should look for the correct option. This feature is vital for making any necessary changes before the document is fully executed. Once you find the correct button, go ahead and click on it. This will allow you to make your required edits. You'll notice that the interface will look familiar, as it resembles the original setup where you initially drafted and signed the document. Make your changes carefully. Double-check the areas you needed to revise and ensure every detail is just as you intended. After you're done editing, it's crucial to save your changes. Depending on the complexity of the document and the extent of your edits, take a moment to review everything once more before concluding the process. Once satisfied, complete the correction process, and your document is now ready to proceed through the remaining steps of the signing workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully edited a Docusign document after signing it. Remember, this process is only possible if the document is still in the signing queue and not yet finalized by all parties. This handy feature keeps your documents accurate and up to date without the hassle of starting from scratch. I hope this guide was helpful, and for any more questions or detailed explanations, feel free to seek additional resources or contact Docusign's support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.